Day 102, meditations on the disabled and their carers. If you are physically disabled, you should tell yourself that deep down we are all the same. Even if you cannot use certain senses, your mind works in the same way as others' minds. Do not be discouraged. Find confidence in yourself. You are a human being and you can make something of your life. One day I visited a school for the dumb. At first sight, the children were unable to communicate in the way we usually do. But in fact, they simply used other means and they were able to study just like anyone else. These days, even the blind can read and write with the help of machines. Some are even writers. On Indian television, I once saw a man who wrote with his feet. He did not write very quickly, but he was able to form his letters very well.